Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, visual field testing or perimetry. Visual field testing can be of two types. Actually, it is of three types. One, we have kinetic type. Second, we have static type. Third, we have combination of kinetic and static type. Kinetic type of visual field testing is done by two methods. One, we have Lister's method. Second, we have tangent method or Jerem's screen. So first we have Lister's method, second we have tangent method or Jerem's stream. So these both are the kinetic methods. Whereas in the static method we have one type which is automated perimetry. In the automated perimetry we have two types, octopus type of automated perimetry or Humphrey field analyzer is present. Similarly, in a combined type of perimetry where there is combined kinetic and static type, we have Goldman's perimeter. Okay. Then what is campimetry? Campimetry is evaluation of the central visual field evaluation is called as campimetry. It is evaluation of central visual field evaluation.
thank you and thank you for watching.